Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another watch review. Today I will be reviewing the watch 19029 and the name is Sveston Missy. Sveston Missy comes in 5 different colors and is the perfect day-to-day companion. It's a decent size and has a refined and low-profile dial, while the watch itself is rain-resistant. Plus, the stainless steel strap is hard-wearing and lightweight as well. That features a lug-to-lug distance of 43mm and has a 33mm round case on a linked tungsten with push-button deployment clasps. Functions include hours, minutes, small seconds, and date window on the bottom. This watch comes complete with luxury box and 1-year international warranty. Who wouldn't want to make a statement this summer after spending the past year largely indoors? Of course, the practical accessory has always been a natural addition to any work outfit. However, whether you're looking for the ultimate status symbol or a sentimental heirloom, deciding which watch to invest in can feel overwhelming. Who says you have to choose between function and form? Sveston Missy expertly reveals the sleek design. Is there anything more soothing than looking at a watch with such a perfectly round face? So go ahead, upgrade your wrist game and everyday look with this outstanding and down-to-earth design. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back with another review. Until then, Allah Hafiz.